A high superheat or low temperature split after completing repairs signals a persistent refrigeration or airflow problem that needs immediate, methodical troubleshooting. Start by measuring system conditions at the service valve and at the evaporator outlet using a calibrated gauges and a reliable thermometer. Recheck evaporator coil cleanliness because even a thin film of dirt can cause restricted heat transfer and elevate superheat. Brush and use a coil cleaner if needed and rinse thoroughly. Confirm blower or fan operation and verify the fan speed against the original equipment manufacturer specification because low airflow will raise superheat and reduce temperature split. Inspect the duct system for obvious leaks or disconnected sections while the system is running by feeling for airflow anomalies and listening for whistling. Small leaks can significantly change return temperature and airflow measurements. Verify correct refrigerant charge using the superheat method for a fixed metering device or the subcooling method for a system with a receiver or a thermostatic expansion valve, and always correct charge by weight when possible for accuracy. If the metering device is a thermostatic expansion valve and readings remain abnormal, consider the valve diaphragm or sensing bulb issues and test bulb placement, tightness, and thermal contact. Common mistakes include assuming the initial repair fixed everything without rechecking dynamic conditions, which leads to missed issues. Take fresh measurements after the system stabilizes and compare to design values. Another error is chasing refrigerant charge exclusively when airflow problems are primary. Remedy this by restoring airflow first, then set charge based on steady-state readings. Technicians sometimes overlook blocked or kinked liquid lines and filter dryers that restrict flow and mimic undercharge. Visually inspect lines and replace the filter dryer if pressure drop or contamination is suspected. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like system troubleshooting so we can find local professionals and share experiences. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we exchange troubleshooting tips, post photos, and ask targeted questions to help both homeowners and contractors solve tricky issues.